For over a century, Switzerland has treated fine watchmaking like its own private territory. And honestly, nobody blamed them for it. That confidence is starting to crack. A new generation of Chinese watchmakers has spent the last decade quietly mastering the same skills the Swiss guarded so closely. Hand-finished guilloche dials, in-house tourbillons, and movements built entirely from scratch. Some of these brands are doing it at prices that make Swiss pricing structures look almost embarrassing. In this video, we are counting down 8 Chinese watch brands that are genuinely rattling the Swiss watch industry. These are not cheap imitations anymore. These are original, technically serious timepieces, earning real respect from collectors who used to only trust Geneva and Le Local. Let's count down the watches proving China's rise in horology is not a fake. Number 8. San Martin Automatic Divers. Starting our countdown at number 8 is San Martin, a brand that built its reputation on something deceptively simple: taking classic dive watch designs and executing them with genuine care. Customers consistently praise San Martin for delivering high-quality, well-designed watches at remarkably competitive prices, with particular attention to detail and reliable movements. The cases are typically 316L stainless steel, with tight tolerances and clean brushing. Sapphire crystals and ceramic bezel inserts appear on models that would demand luxury pricing from Swiss competitors. Rather than simple imitations, San Martin's homage watches are thoughtful reinterpretations of classic designs while maintaining a distinct identity of their own. Water resistance regularly hits professional dive specification. The automatic movements are reliable workhorses that run accurately for years, with minimal servicing. Divers and collectors alike have embraced San Martin because it delivers Swiss-level specs without Swiss-level waiting lists or markups. The brand has built a loyal following on forums and enthusiast communities, who trade notes on specific references. When entry-level Swiss divers cost 4 times as much for comparable specs, San Martin becomes an obvious value argument that Swiss brands would rather not discuss directly. Number 7. Heimdallr Automatic Homage Collection. At number 7 is Heimdallr, a brand whose entire identity rests on giving buyers premium materials and genuine automatic movements without the premium price tag. Heimdallr offers high-quality automatic movements, premium materials, and eye-catching designs at remarkably affordable prices compared to established Swiss or Japanese brands. The collection spans everything from a classic diver-style homage to chunkier tool watch designs and vintage-inspired turtle case models, giving nearly every wrist style something to choose from. The finishing on cases and bracelets punches well above the price point, with brushed and polished surfaces that mimic much costlier watches. Lume application is strong, and water resistance ratings are genuinely tested rather than simply printed on the case back. Heimdallr has become a favorite entry point for enthusiasts who want to try mechanical watches without committing serious money. The brand continues expanding its lineup while maintaining consistent quality control, which is exactly the kind of reliability that used to be considered a uniquely Swiss trait. When affordable brands start delivering dependable mechanical performance at this level, established players start paying attention. Number 6. Seagull 1963 Air Force Chronograph. Coming in at number 6 is the Seagull 1963 Air Force Chronograph, arguably the single most important watch in Chinese horological history. Seagull stands as the world's largest manufacturer of mechanical movements, making it the backbone of the entire Chinese watch industry. This specific chronograph uses the ST19 movement, a column wheel chronograph caliber that remains an essential entry-level piece for any serious watch collector. The ST19's lineage traces directly back to the Venus 175 tooling that China acquired in the 1960s, and it powers the reborn Seagull 1963. Originally built as a pilot's watch for the Chinese Air Force, the hand-wound movement offers genuine mechanical chronograph engagement, including a satisfying column wheel actuation that Swiss brands typically reserve for watches costing many times more. The vintage aviation styling has become iconic in its own right, independent of its budget positioning. Collectors specifically seek this reference because it delivers authentic vintage chronograph engineering rather than a modern reinterpretation. When a $200 watch offers the same mechanical complexity as a Swiss chronograph costing thousands, the comparison becomes uncomfortable for legacy brands. Number 5. Sega Design Mechanical Moonwatch. At number 5, we have the Sega Design Mechanical Moonwatch, a release that stunned the watch community by directly challenging one of horology's most beloved genres. Only founded roughly a decade ago, Sega Design has quickly established itself as an industry trailblazer, pushing the boundaries of design while offering exciting pieces that will not break the bank completely. This moonwatch features an intricate multi-layer dial construction, showing lunar phases with genuine mechanical depth and movement. The case architecture uses sculptural, almost architectural design language that feels distinctly different from typical round watch cases. Skeletonized elements reveal the movement's inner workings, adding visual drama that usually accompanies far more expensive watches. Saiga Design has built its reputation on pushing conceptual boundaries rather than simply copying established Swiss designs. The brand's willingness to experiment with unconventional case shapes and dial constructions has earned genuine respect from design-focused collectors. When independent Swiss brands charge tens of thousands for similarly conceptual watches, Sega Design's accessible pricing turns heads throughout the enthusiast community. Number 4. Peacock Black Hole Tourbillon. Claiming number 4 is Peacock and its remarkable black hole tourbillon, a watch that proves Chinese brands can out-engineer expectations entirely. The piece that truly captured worldwide attention was the black hole, an eccentric centrally mounted tourbillon featuring a movement made entirely in-house. The tourbillon complication has become a genuine core specialty for Peacock, appearing across a wide range of their collection without compromising overall aesthetic appeal. Building an in-house tourbillon is one of watchmaking's most demanding technical achievements, traditionally reserved for elite Swiss manufacturers, charging six-figure prices. Peacock's execution includes genuinely artistic case and dial work, with some collections featuring hand-finished guilloche patterns typically associated only with high-end Swiss dress watches. The centrally mounted architecture creates a hypnotic visual centerpiece, unlike anything from mainstream Swiss houses at comparable pricing. Collectors specifically hunt Peacock references, because in-house tourbillon movements at this price point simply do not exist anywhere else. When a brand builds its own escapements and complications from scratch, it graduates from imitator to genuine innovator. And that shift is exactly what worries established Swiss manufacturers. Number 3. Beijing Watch Factory Guilloche Dress Series. Taking bronze at number 3 is the Beijing Watch Factory Guilloche Dress Series, a collection built specifically to compete with Swiss dress watch elegance on its own terms. Where Seagull emphasizes industrial power, Beijing Watch Factory emphasizes refinement, aestheticism, and finish quality, embracing traditional Chinese aesthetics alongside classic watchmaking methodology. The craftsmanship includes engine-turned guilloche dials, hand-polished hands, and delicate filigree work found across many high-end models, directly competing with Swiss dress watches at similar tiers. The watches maintain slim, balanced, and refined proportions ideally suited for formal wear. Some references even feature Site Index 18-1 an 18K gold Tiananmen Gate logo detail that adds distinctive cultural signature to the design. Select high-end models use homemade movements, including a hand-finished tourbillon caliber built and polished using traditional methods. This combination of in-house movement production and genuine artisan dial decoration is precisely the formula Swiss dress watch houses have used to justify premium pricing for generations. When a Chinese factory demonstrates the same formula convincingly, Swiss dress watch positioning starts looking less unique than it once did. Number 2. Baron's Wandering Hours. Securing silver at number 2 is Baron's, a Shenzhen-based watchmaker that has become the clearest proof that Chinese design thinking can rival Europe's most avant-garde independence. Baron's focuses specifically on wandering hours, complications, and futuristic time displays, and the brand has earned GPHG nominations, proving that Chinese engineering can be every bit as avant-garde as respected independents like MB&F or Urwerk. Awareness of the brand skyrocketed following a collaboration with artist Konstantin Chaikin, which produced the widely celebrated Joker watch that quickly became a collector favorite. The wandering hours mechanism itself is a genuinely complex complication, historically associated almost exclusively with elite Swiss independent watchmakers. Baron's builds these mechanisms with confident, playful design language that feels fresh rather than derivative. The brand has cultivated a devoted following among collectors who specifically chase novel complications over recognizable brand names. Getting nominated at the industry's most prestigious awards ceremony, alongside legendary Swiss independents, is not a small accomplishment for a brand still in its second decade. When Barons keeps appearing on the same stage as MB&F and Urwerk, the Swiss avant-garde scene has genuine reason to take notice. Number 1. Atelier Wen Perception. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is Atelier Wen and its Perception collection, the watch that many enthusiasts point to as the definitive proof that Chinese watchmaking has arrived. This brand has spearheaded the entire Pride in China movement, and the Perception series features hand guilloche dials made by master artisans in China, paired with integrated bracelets that genuinely rival Swiss finishing quality. The name Atelier Wen itself combines French and Chinese language, meaning workshop of culture, reflecting a philosophy that blends French and Chinese design techniques into something authentically Chinese. A huge part of the brand's identity comes from its adoption of guilloche dials that express Oriental geometries through one of the most well-established forms of decorative art, with the Perception model leading the charge through an integrated bracelet design inspired by 1980s sports watches. The case design melds Chinese architectural influence with steel sports watch trends, and even as prices climb, the watch still represents genuine value compared to Swiss brands offering similar craftsmanship. Much of that craftsmanship traces back to master artisan Chung Yu-chai, who has dedicated himself to guilloche work and even built his own rose engine, turning each dial into a handmade work of art with remarkable precision. This is precisely the kind of story Swiss maisons have told about themselves for 2 centuries, and Atelier Wen is telling it just as convincingly from a workshop in China.